Hey guys, it's Ivan Sher at Shapiro Sher. Take a look at what's happening out here at the estates at Lake Las Vegas at Reflection Bay. These lots are amazing, half-acre lots, and we have acre lots that are actually on the water. They've just come on the market. We have 5 of them that are for sale, starting in the mid 300s, going to the upper 700,000s. Absolutely sensational. Merlin is known for their fine quality, their finishes, their design. There's development, there's change, no state income tax, many other tax advantages. Come take a look at this for those of you out of state. But this is Las Vegas on the water, guys.